Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today we're setting sail on the choppy seas of JavaScript control flow. Just like a ship's captain needs to navigate through storms and calm waters alike, we need to guide our code through different conditions. So let's hoist the sails and dive in. First up, we have the if statement, the captain of our ship. It's like the compass that guides us. If the compass points to north, we sail north. In JavaScript, if a condition is true, we execute a block of code. If not, we just chill and do nothing. But what if we hit a storm and can't sail north? That's where our first mate, the else statement, comes in. If we can't go north, let's go south, just like that in JavaScript. If our if condition isn't met, the else statement takes over and executes its block of code. Sometimes we might encounter pirates or sea monsters. I mean, who knows what's out there, right? For these situations, we have the else if statement, our trusty lookout. It checks for other conditions if the if statement fails. So, if we can't go north because of a storm and can't go south because of pirates, we go east or west. Finally, we have the switch statement, our ship's wheel. It lets us choose the direction we want to go based on the wind's direction. In JavaScript, a switch statement checks a value against multiple cases and executes the code for the matching case. It's like choosing to go north, south, east, or west based on where the wind is blowing. And there you have it, folks. We've navigated the high seas of JavaScript control flow. Remember, a good captain is always prepared for any situation. And JavaScript control statements, you're ready to face any coding challenge that comes your way.